If you're looking to set up automated welcome sequences for students, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute guide will walk you through exactly how to set up an automated sequence that welcomes your students, builds engagement, and saves you time. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a tool that's perfect for this, and you'll get an exclusive free trial just for watching. Now let's dive in. First, you need to choose the right software. The software we'll be using today makes this process seamless, easy to set up, and incredibly effective. You'll find a link to a free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. Start by creating your sequence. Go into your software, find the Automations tab, and create a new automation workflow. This is where the magic happens. Give your sequence a name, something like Welcome Sequence or Student Onboarding, and then set it to trigger when a student first signs up. Next, you'll create your welcome email. In the email, make sure to thank the student for signing up and give them a warm welcome to your program. Keep it short, engaging, and personalize it if possible. You want them to feel excited about what's next. Now, let's add a delay to the next email. You don't want to bombard them with too many emails at once. Set the next email to go out a day or two later. This next email could be a resource email where you provide them with helpful links, tools, or guides that will make their experience better. After this, add another delay, maybe 3 or 4 days, then send an email introducing them to your community. If you have a forum, a Facebook group, or any social spaces, this is a great opportunity to invite them to join and meet others. The goal is to build relationships and keep them engaged. From here, you can continue to add emails that introduce more resources, guides, or even special offers. The key is to nurture them without overwhelming them. Every email in your sequence should provide value. One thing to remember is that each email should have a clear call to action. Whether it's encouraging them to check out a new video, join a group, or access a new module, make sure there's always something for them to do. Once your sequence is set up, test it. This is crucial. Go through the process yourself to make sure everything is working as expected. If anything looks off, tweak it before your students get the sequence. A quick revision. Set up your automated welcome sequence by choosing the right software, creating a personalized welcome email, spacing out your emails with delays, and continuously offering valuable content. And remember to test your sequence to ensure it's working perfectly. Now, before we close, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we use today in the description. It's perfect for automating welcome sequences and so much more. Key takeaway: setting up automated welcome sequences for students is all about creating a smooth, welcoming experience that builds engagement without overwhelming your students. Stick to a consistent, valuable flow of content to make them feel supported every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use the link in the description to start your free trial today.